in this tutorial, we are going to study about adding titles or text. So we are using Wondershare Filmora. This is a free version that I'm using right now. So when I click on titles, we have these many options like custom, openers, titles. So if I choose one of the image, there is a plus sign here. So it gets added to the timeline and I can see the preview here. This is the gallery space, this is the timeline, and this is the preview space. So if I click on the plus sign, I can get it on my timeline. So here it is showing your title, your text here, your title here. If I want to change the text, I will have to do advanced editing, and then I can write whatever text I want to write. You are using Wondershare. Okay, so that is my input text, which I can give it here. The colors can be chosen. If I choose a blue color, it will be in blue. The effects can be given whichever way I want it to be. Okay, so that way it will be played. So the text here, and I've edited this particular section. So that was about the text. Now text border also can be given. Okay, if I want to give a border, the color is being chosen here, and then it can be done. Here you're using Wondershare text, this, and the title here. So in your title here, I can write it down as animation tutorials. So I'm basically still selected this one and then made other change. Whenever I want to make a change, I have to select that particular frame and write it down. So for the animation tutorials, whatever text I'm choosing, what color, that way it will work. So I've put it a green color. The effects, and then the border. If I want to put a text border, I can do it this way. Okay, so it will be done. And then I have to say OK. OK, cancel, save as custom. So I'm doing OK here. So this is the way in which the text can be edited, and I can say here OK. Alright, so this is my text section. If I want to have the subtitles, similarly, this will appear in this fashion. If I'm adding it here in the next frame, it will be added here. Okay, so what I can see here is the editor, subtitles. Okay, so if again I have to make the changes, I have to go into advanced edit and write whatever I want to write here. So this is, it has been a rainy day. If you want to make a movie kind of thing, then this is how it appears, right? So this way it is going to start, and I have to say OK. So now suppose I've made a movie, like there are sequence of slides. I can make a short movie here, sequence of slides, and then I can have the other things. I have to say OK here. Then I can have the end credits. Like you can insert as many texts as you want here. You have to just select here and say plus. Now subtitles has been done, so end credits. Suppose let me see how it appears. End credits, I have to say plus, so it will appear here. Okay, so when I play, if I want to see a preview, appears. This is my first slide, then the second one, then the third one. After that, I can see the third one. See, so the end appear from bottom to top in this fashion. So that is how it is done. Now if I want to make the changes, I will go into advanced edit and I will change it here, credit 9. So I can write whatever I want to here, credit production. So you can see that it is being changed here. If I write production, if I insert my name, so that will be done. Okay, so this is how we do it, and I say OK. So a short movie is ready, where I can see the animation tutorial, the starting name. This I've created, we have created a movie in which there is a front, like the name of the movie, then a description, you can include images here, and then lastly, finally, having the, you can see credits. So here is my name. So that is about Wondershare Filmora and filmmaking, like completely from making of a title to this. Okay, thank you.